Welcome to Create an Account tutorial video. If you're interested in selling art or images, from the home page, you can start by clicking on the Sell Art and Images link. And then you see this screen that guides you through the process. At the bottom of the screen, you will see two buttons, one that says Create Photographer Account, and the second button that says Create Artist Account. Let's say we are a photographer. We click on the Create Photographer Account. And this brings us to the photographer tutorial. So you carefully read through the details of the tutorial. That again just provides you with some basic information to ensure that the images that you upload meet all requirements, and that you also have some legal knowledge in terms of your commitments. So after you have read the tutorial, you click at the bottom of the page that says Next Page. This brings us to the account sign up page, where we have to complete basic information such as your email address and password. Your email address also acts as your username. You will see next to some of the fields there's an asterisk, and this indicates that these are required or mandatory fields. So I'm going to complete the form in the interest of time and then come back to the video. So for the purpose of this exercise, I have completed the form with fictitious information. So if you're trying to contact me, this is not my real number. So we scroll along to the bottom of the form, and again we indicate the type of account we have, so we can indicate whether it's an artist account we're trying to create or photographer account that we're trying to create. And in this instance, we click on the photographer account. Again, we scroll to the bottom of the screen and then click on the green Create an Account button. Here we arrive at the photographer quiz, which gives us a bit of a refresher of some of the information that we would have read in the tutorial. So I'm going to go through the first question with you, just so you can understand how the quiz works. The very first question says, I must be the photographer or artist of the images I submit. I gather that most of us would have answered true to this question, but I'm going to answer false, so you will understand that if you answer incorrectly, you will get a prompt with the correct answer. So I answered false, and in this red box I see true, photos must be taken by you. Artwork or illustrations must be created by you and cannot contain elements from other authors or artists. You must be the legal copyright owner of the uploaded file. So in order to move on with the quiz, I need to answer with the correct answer, which is true. So I click on true, and then the following questions come up. So I am now going to pause, and I have completed all 15 questions of the quiz. So I can now press the continue button at the end of the screen. This new screen appears that states create partner account complete. Your account has been successfully created. So I again click on the continue button, and then this message appears on screen within the green box that says an email has been sent. Please click the link inside it to confirm your address. So when you're checking your email, make sure as well to check your junk and spam mail folders, and then follow the instructions to click the link inside of the email to confirm the address. So I hope this video has been useful to you. So please have a great day and continue to be creative.